Hey everybody, welcome to another Sunny reaction and vlogs. And this is my dog, Chico right here. He's excited here too. We're gonna be showing you a brand new statue, Prime One Studio Ultimate Premium Master Denji. Just got this bad boy, took it out of the brown box right there. But take a look at it right now. All right, let's start with the art box. Right here, as you can see, Prime One always does a great job with the art box. We got Denji right here. All the blood. It's supposed to be a pretty damn cool statue, especially with the blood, the way they did the blood. Then we got the Ultimate Edition, so we also get his little dog, Poochie. And we got my own Poochie right here. You like? All right. Thank you. Thank you for helping, Chico. All right. Let's get this bad boy open. Okay. All right. As you can see, we have some instructions how to put it up. Seems like it's going to be a little complicated with all the damn blood. And we get 3 different heads, 4 arms, and one of the chainsaw head lights up. So it's pretty cool. Chico, what are you doing there? All right, so we're at the assembly part. This is where it comes from. So this is how the statue's gonna look. It's pretty sick. The head lights up. You get all these parts and all these instructions where to put it. I'm gonna zoom back a little so you guys get an overview pic. Okay. All right, and I just got the box open. There's like 3 layers. There's the top layer. I'm gonna start opening these things. So this is gonna be the first one, but let's get the base first before we do that. Okay, I thought I had it open, but I guess I didn't. I'm just gonna use my damn keys. Why not? Okay, have to open that side still. Well, that's pretty open. All right, put it right here. Pause. All right, here's the base. All right, there's a couple of pieces. I'm gonna get it all open and set up, and I'll show you guys. All right. Right here's the base. We took it out, as you can see. It's like a chainsaw theme. Looks pretty sick. You got the 2 handles to grab it, so that kind of makes it easy to move it if you need to. We got the zombies without the heads, blood spatter. The details are pretty good on it too. As you can see, this kind of looks like wires, edges, all metallic. I do have my turntable, but it's in my other room. Wait till all the blood's on it. It's even more better looking. Yeah, all right. Let's cut it. All right, so right here, assembling it, we got this was the first one right here, second, third. Now the fourth one, fourth part, if you're wondering, is going to be right next to the base, top right. So if you follow that little map they give you, it's pretty good. Instructions, it's not bad. All right, let's go to the next part. All right, this is one of the zombie hands that you put in the thing. But look at it, the detail's sick. You can see the little wrinkles, the blood, the bites. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. All right, when you're putting in this hand and arm, this arm is way too close to this blood. So you have to little wiggle carefully to get this hand right in there. And you're putting the hand in, so be careful. when you're putting this hand in, okay? It won't fit right away. It's gotta wiggle a little. All right, just got the body, the DENJI. As you can see, man, the details, the pant looks like cloth, the blood stains, the shirt, little wrinkles, collar, the belt, probably one, man, the shoes with the blood, everything. Let me get you a detail of the back. It's all on point.
Okay. I'll put it on.
This way? No. Have to find out where to put it. All right, we got the body in. So the peg goes in here. So make sure on the bottom. Peg goes right here. And the foot just sits on right here. Ready? All right, we got one of the heads of the zombies. The tongue is sick. The skin all gross, decaying. The eyes, the hair. Man, yeah, probably one. It's always good at details. Teeth, the blood. And this one goes right here. Boom. All right, this is the second zombie head. It's getting split open half with the blood gushing out. Man, that is sight. The eyeballs, face, the hair, and this one goes right here. You have to be careful. Boom. Careful, I almost broke the damn blood. All right, we got the third zombie, which I think is the sickest. The skull's damn missing, decapitated, slit, mouth, eyes, all burned and decaying. Teeth could be a little better, but other than that, it's pretty good. This one goes right here. I think at least, right?
That's the spot.
I'm gonna check. Pause. Let's go right here. I was just putting in this, which was wrong. Go like this. Right here. Boom. Perfect. All right. We got the final head. That's just sick. Look at the blood work, man. It's sick. The splatter. Chopped. Missing eyes. Teeth are good. Wrinkles. Rotting skin. I look pretty good. All right, let's put this baby in here. Like a glove. All right, it's coming along so far. All right, we got the arms, the chainsaw arms. It is sick. The blood on it. It feels like it's like actual blood there, dude. It's like wet coming out of it. The chainsaw, I mean, it's not real, but still looks pretty sick. The hand, all covered blood, the scratches, the fingers, all dope. All right, this one goes right here. All right, I'm trying to get it in there. I can't. Why? Pause. Good. All right, I was having a little bit of a struggle putting it in straight, but it's supposed to go a little downwards. So there we go. It's fucking sick. As you can see the blood splatter. It looks like you actually chop people off. It's awesome. All right, let me get the other arm. All right, this is the other arm. This is same details. Blood. Pumped up fist. Looks good. go. Magic. Let me put the light on here, you can see better. Just coming along, boys. Prime with that. One, knocked out the part. DENJI looks sick. I love the blood, but it's a nightmare. You put it all this in, but the instructions help. If you follow that, you should be good. It's looking dope. Looking pretty good. All right. This is him with the head on. I would turn the light on still, but you get with the bonus version, of course, you get a little pochito. Then here's another head that you get of DENJI with the tongue out. We'll put this on too and see how it looks. But I already got my favorite head on him with the chainsaw and the tongue out. This is the other head you get. Look at the details on the hair, man. That's cool. The face is okay. Looks like the anime. Then this is the other head. No tongue. But they light up. Both of them on the back. Be careful, and that's the cover in the back. So for now you can see. It's gonna line all back. Alright. Once I got it all done, I'm gonna do a better little 360 for you guys to see. And man, Primal knocked it out of the park. It looks good. All right, here it is in all its glory. Chainsaw Man. I like the head with the tongue out, but I'm having an issue with my head. We're in the backs for the batteries. I can't get the screw out. So other than that, it's perfect. Here's his little buddy Poochie. Looks great. And we'll try the other 3 heads too. Let's just get a good look at the base. Right there. The head. Looks amazing. Blood, the shoes. Look at the detail on that. The pants. Look at the crease. Butt shot. Blood splatter. On point. Everything is on. Looks great. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Not disappointed at all. Alright, here's the second head. Basically the same, just not the tongue sticking out. Does have the light feature right there. Looks pretty good. Here's the other head. The only difference is the tongue. This is how the battery works right there. There is a cover for it right here. Off and on. Well, on one of my heads, the screw isn't coming out for the batteries. Alright. Here's DENJI with his human head. As you can see, it's pretty good, dude. I mean, nothing too basic, but close enough to the anime. Teeth are not that realistic. I would give it like a 6 out of 10, to be honest. Other than that, it's alright. Here's the third and final head. Right here. For comparison to the only difference is really the tongue. Alright, this is Denji with his other arm, 2 arms. You get one set is with a chainsaw, the other one is him going through the transformation. I guess you can switch it up. I want this on and one of the other ones. Looks pretty good. Again, the detail on those zombies and the blood gushing out is amazing. Another option you could have is you could have like a chainsaw arm on one side and not one, so it kind of looks like he's going through a transformation. I think it's not bad. We could try changing the head too. Side view. Look at the arm, the blood, the detail on it is amazing, as you guys can see. The paint work is freaking 10 out of 10. Blood gushing out, shoes. No complaints. The only issue I have is one of the heads for the battery doesn't open. The screw's stuck in it. Alright, there's another way you could display it too, where the head, like through mid-transformation, the head's changed, the arm's going through the change, but still, one arm is there. So there's a couple of ways that we could display it, depending on how do you like it. Might just keep it right here. Let's closer look at Poochie. Here's the 2 arms. Look at the base. Zombie head. Look at the detail on that. The blood. As you can see, everything is like fucking detail. Why is it? Prime 1 did an amazing job. Look at the wounds. The paint is fucking 10 out of 10 in my opinion. Chainsaw Man.